The Philippine National Police or PNP has not identified any group or individual that may attempt to sabotage the first ever parliamentary election in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM. This comes just weeks before the election set for this month of September. According to Acting Public Information Office Chief Police Colonel Allen Reyco, the security deployment for the elections is now good to go. In fact, the PNP is reportedly 98% ready for the polls.
98% na nga po, tapos na tayo. Of course, we leave some room for some contingencies kung ano man may magbabago pong sitwasyon or kung ano may bagong pangyayari. And we have prepared all contingency plans for anything that might develop.
Despite this, the PNP assured that contingency measures are in place should anyone attempt to disrupt the election-related activities.
Kagaya po ng sinabi natin, we are prepared for any contingency. Meron po tayong mga contingency plans in place para for any threat. So, lahat po naman ng ganito, tinitignan natin kung if there are any threats or anything that will hinder the conduct of a peaceful election po. So, we are ready for any eventuality.
Yesterday, DILG Secretary Junvic Rimulya and PNP Chief Police General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. personally went to Maguindanao to inspect the security preparations. More than 9,000 police personnel will be deployed by the PNP for the BARMM elections. More than 4,000 of them will come from ProBar. The rest will serve as augmentation from various units and regional offices. The PNP also has more than 1,000 police personnel on standby who may serve as a special electoral board if needed.
Heightened alert po sila sa BARM and this could change kung depending on the situation as ma-assess po ng ating higher headquarters.
The first parliamentary election in BARMM is set to be held on September 14. Ryan Lisiges for The Nation.